Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will cook crisp and delicious butter cookies. They're light and not too sweet. They're crisp and tender with rich butter flavor. For this recipe we will need 113 grams of softened butter, 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 70 grams of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 120 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, and of course the scales. We start by mixing 113 grams of softened butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 70 grams of sugar in a large mixing bowl. Then let's switch to electric mixer and mix until creamy, pale and fluffy. Now add 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix well until combined. Now it's time to gradually add in 120 grams of flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now let's place the cookies 1 inch apart on the prepared baking sheet. Bake in preheated oven at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for about 17 minutes. And as easy as that, our delicious butter cookies are ready. Bon appetit!